From elegant design finishes to curated furniture collections, this is Lehem Interiors, your trusted partner in transforming spaces. I am Wanjeri, and welcome to the new La Casa showroom. So when La Casa decided to move to this new space in Westlands, we were really excited to take on the project because we got to be a part of the process of giving our sister company a new look and feel. As you can see here, their previous showroom had an industrial and moody feel, so to contrast that, we wanted to design something that was minimal and refined with neutral tones and hues. Come, let me show you. Our design inspiration was the coastal town of Lamu, and we wanted to bring its serene charm to life by reflecting its features of Swahili and Arab architecture. Ooh, I love the bougainvillea. We used organic materials to mimic the timeless ambiance of the town. Does it make you feel like going to the coast? So the first thing you notice when you walk into the space is that the floor and wall finishes were selected to imitate lime-washed plaster. And we achieved this by using specialized paints. The neutral backdrop also allows the furniture to stand out and have its own moment. Building on a neutral color palette, we added partitions with a light oak lattice panel to add texture into the space. We had over 4-meter high ceilings to work with, and the decision to have them run all the way up into the slab really added to the visual appeal. Our approach to the reception and cashier area was to create a sense of arrival, as well as give the brand identity a fresh take in a tasteful way. The desk was constructed out of a beige quartz stone, and the La Casa logo was reimagined in a refined way. Storage shelvings were crucial to the project because they were needed to showcase a variety of the different products that La Casa has to offer. So to keep things exciting, we designed a bunch of different solutions from different materials, including oak and linen boards to gypsum and metal. This is definitely my fave. Because the space is more than just a showroom and needed to house a workspace and meeting room for the La Casa staff, we decided to utilize the high ceilings by adding a mezzanine structure to accommodate this. We took this opportunity to reflect the rich cultural architectural heritage of Lamu by incorporating arched doors and window openings on both levels.
So this is where the magic happens. Did I say magic? Yes, it's magic. Come and sit with me. So from here, this is the way we are talking to our clients regarding about the fabric selection, especially with their furnitures. There's also some finishing and some marbles materials. And this one, it will be a great selection for sure, where there are a lot of options to choose. And let me just show you some of the drawings and sketch that made by our creative director, which is Ace Oriel. So this is the mirror, Shara mirror, as you can see on that side. And we also uses this kind of wood, which is like a textured one and like a linen one. And there's selections also when it comes to leather. Some of the carhartt leather is this one, and these are the options that you can have. So as you can see, this is a nice leather material that can be perfect to your luxury home space.
And last but not least, we have this stunning window display where a client wanted a platform to feature some of their star pieces with dramatic effect. And I think we achieved it, don't you? So thanks for sticking with us until the end of this video. The showroom is now open and ready for you to visit. So come on over and say hi. See you next time. Bye.